Day one, my 10,000 steps challenge. Actually, it's day two, but I didn't record yesterday. Let's go. I'm late starting tonight. It is like 8:15 or something. Walking my dog. Looking at houses. 10,000 steps are long steps. Cause I went yesterday. It wasn't that exciting the first day. Oh my God. But since I did P90X back in the day, which I should do it again. What the heck? But anyways, P90X. I got the best hit of my life in doing that. I don't know why I just don't do it again. Honestly. Oh yeah, I had a stroke. So maybe that's the reason. But not doing P90X, but during that time, but it's not P90X related. It's because I had a bad heart valve when I was born. And then I got surgery when I was 25, I think. 26. It's been a lot of 10 years since my second heart replacement. So I had 2 heart replacements. But anyways, at the first one, I was working out. P90X, got skinny. Oh, so, no, actually, I had a stroke during like the 9th or 10th year of my first heart replacement. Not heart replacement, but aortic valve replacement. Climbing a hill. You hear how birthday I am. This is only day 2. What was I talking about? Oh, heart replacements. Aortic replacements. Open heart surgery. Yeah, the first one on 26, I mean. And then, I got real big at the time, 8 or 9 years. Probably from stress of business and stuff. Who knows? But oh yeah, started doing P90X. Started working. I lost probably 30 pounds or something like that, but I was big. I was probably pissing 275. After 275, I stopped weighing. But I don't know if I got any bigger than that. But anyways, I just couldn't do pull-ups. I really can't do pull-ups my whole life, really. But maybe 1 or 2 back in the day, I don't remember. But I definitely could do pull-ups then. So I got the help. You know, a string being. Not string being. A fucking elastic band. Elastic band helped me do pull-ups. So I turned on that. I actually had that and put another band on there too because it wouldn't hold me enough. But anyways, I started doing that. I got up to I think I finally got to where I was do one pull-up. Or maybe half a 2. And right around that time, I had a stroke. So basically what I'm saying is they put an aortic valve, it's a heart replacement valve, and and then it broke. Oh, it broke. It had some kind of fractures in it, either from an aortic valve or I think the aortic valve. But there's a little tiny bubble in the back of it that made me have a stroke. And I was just sitting there talking, and next thing I know, I couldn't do nothing. They were like, I mean, it was freaky for sure, because you couldn't do nothing at all. Couldn't say nothing. Didn't know what was going on. People talked to me as like my baby's mama, my partner at the time, talking to me. And the two kids are there. They're young. But she like, she just say something on to call the ambulance or something. I can't even say what to do. So they call the ambulance. They saved my life. I couldn't talk. Right side of my brain. Wait, I think the left side of my brain. Man, I don't know. Wait, it's the right side of the brain. Well, the right side of my body is numb. And I couldn't hardly walk for a week. They didn't know if I was going to be able to walk. Was I able to recover from that? It might have been from the NX, who knows? I was so big. So, it saved my life. Thank God for heart doctors and people at the hospital. Every one of your jobs is important. But anyways, so I could walk after a week, barely. So I couldn't talk, couldn't write. I can't spell. Had to relearn everything. I could think properly, and everybody's like, I was brain dead. I couldn't think. I could think accurately. I mean, about what it is, kind of, not really names, but I could think to whatever. So I couldn't pronounce it. Fucking strange, dude. Couldn't write it. I couldn't even spell the word pump. I keep saying that over and over because we own a pool business, and basically I had a stroke. I couldn't spell pump. Couldn't communicate it. Couldn't write it. So I had to go through basically speech therapy. I had to go there every week or something. Basically, I had to go through like I was a kid in grade school. And it's all, or TV, we're learning stuff. Kid programs that teach you how to say consonants and all that stuff. Keep asking me strange questions. See if I can remember them. Well, I meant when I'd go back in for checkups, they'd ask me. I guess they're trying to get me to understand how to say it. And at the time, I don't really know what's going on. So I kept talking. Luckily, we were in business, and everybody knew I had a stroke, but I talked to people all the time doing that. Why am I talking about this? Oh, I was talking about doing 10,000 steps. So that's what had happened. On a side note, I'm working out doing 10,000 steps. Oh yeah, I had a stroke. So after that, I was like, that was the whole point. After that, I was like, basically, I am not gonna run. So I'm not gonna run. Talk about Dave Goggins or whatever his name is. And I don't like running, really. It sucks, honestly. But anyways, when I was doing P90X, so after I had that first stroke, I had nothing to do then. I couldn't go and do nothing. sit and learn to talk and trade, communicate. It's weird. So anyways, so I started to do nothing but P90X and eating right and walking. I walk every day and work out every day. I got the best sleep of my life right then without running. So fuck running. I don't get no high. From doing that. But right now I'm not doing P90X. I'm just doing walking. I'm working out at home. Just doing small workouts. Curls, squats. Swing bells, yeah. I think swing bells. But anyways, does day 2 of me walking 10,000 steps. And we'll see what we can do in the future.